Hello and welcome to How to Solve YouTube channel, where we share tips and tricks in just a minute.
So for today's video, I'm going to discuss Snapchat games, most importantly, where to find the featured games. Snapchat is a very famous social media platform used by millions of people to share videos, pictures, and to communicate. Up until recently, you could play a series of games, mini-games such as Aquapark, Battleships, and many more from this app, which it allows you to compete with your friends. The game feature entertained a lot of people who is a Snapchat user, but recently many users notices that the feature is no longer available, leading them to wonder at what happened, why it's suddenly gone. So here's what you need to know about the feature. Yes, the Snapchat removed it, and this is the Snapchat support tweet. Games and minis are no longer available. I hope this helps, and please let us know if the game feature is already back.
Please like and subscribe for more content, and also don't forget to click on the notification bell so you'll be notified whenever we post a new video. We'll see you next time.